What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, I've been trying to prepare for the crypto bull market as best as possible. I've been investing in things like XRP, a lot in XRP. I've been investing into a lot of the meme coins that I see that are going to have a lot of potential. I've been investing in a ton of things, but I think the one place that I haven't really truly explored in the form of actually investing anything, I've explored it by looking at these positions, but I haven't actually invested into anything. And honestly, just like a lot of other people, I believe that the gaming industry is going to be huge, right? It's already huge and it's going to be huge for cryptocurrency. So I wanted to talk about these gaming coins and one in particular that I am investing into that I already bought, and I'm probably going to double down and triple down on it because I do think that it's going to be, pretty interesting and it's going to be pretty big within this bull run. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my Margex account, if you guys want to sign up for Margex and start trading on Margex, you can do so using my link easily. Down below in the description, you'll see that you can trade with leverage. You can trade BTC with leverage. You can trade Ethereum with leverage up to 100x leverage. So honestly, it's really, really exciting. And some of these positions, as you can see right behind my head, this way, I'm up $100 or 25%. Some of them I am down, some of them I'm up, or most of them I am up on these positions, just holding them for a while, doing a 5x leverage on a lot of them. So definitely go ahead and check that out if you guys are interested in trading with Margex and leverage trading in general. But I think, like I said, the gaming industry is going to be huge within the crypto space. A lot of people are even turning to GTA. Is it six? I don't even know at this point. GTA 5. I believe it's six. Either way, the new one that's supposed to come out, they're turning to it and saying that there's going to be some sort of crypto aspect to it, and we're going to see cryptocurrency flow through it and be able to use it, utilize it to buy certain things and do whatever we need to do, right? Which would be huge for crypto, would be huge for gaming. And I think that's just kind of the not really a small fish. I believe it's going to be big, but having everything else that's also has that implementation within cryptocurrency, whether you're talking about mobile gaming, PC gaming, or even console gaming, I feel like that's going to be implemented there as well. So I'm very excited, and I'm always looking for that opportunity to invest into some of these spaces. And the one play that I brought up, I made a video talking about three different plays, one on the lower end, one on the higher end, and one in kind of middle stages. And the one that was on the higher end, Beam, really caught my eye. It's a position that has majority of the supply that's out there, so there's no factor into a dilution, which is big for me, especially in the gaming space, because typically gaming is looking for you to be able to play to earn and get more coins because of it. I cut myself recently trying to do this whole new setup, but it doesn't matter. What does matter is gaming is very, very important. And what we're gonna see is that um, with the supply, like I was saying with the supply, what they typically do is you have like 5% of the supply that's out there, and then they'll dilute it by having a play to earn aspect to it. Well, I don't want that, right? We want to be able to earn as well, so a very small portion of it, but we also want to see just the gaming or the coins being implemented within it somehow, some way, and majority of those coins being introduced already. And that's kind of what we are seeing with Beam and what really caught my attention with it rather than the other ones that do have, a higher market cap. They're out there. They're talking about being very popular. However, they have a very little supply compared to it. So if we look at Beam right now on CoinMarketCap, you're going to see that the current price is at about 2 cents. It has been flowing, above and below that 2 cent mark. It did get up to about 2.1 cents at one point. And if we look at the last 7 days, it was up here a couple of times. It did slightly surpass that level, which was definitely a good thing, seeing 2.1 cents, but a little bit higher than that. But it did come all the way down to about 1.7 cents below the $1 billion market cap, I believe. Yeah, it was at an $878 million market cap. And here you see it at a $1 billion market cap. So where it currently stands, We are sitting at a 2 cent price, one over $1 billion market cap, up 4% on the day. We're seeing it at $49 million worth of volume. It isn't really tradable on both S tier exchanges, which is something that's I would like to see it tradable on Coinbase so that I can transfer things over to Coinbase. And I don't even know if I will be able to do that because I bought it on the BSC side, which means I would have to get it over to Coinbase somehow, some way, which would be very difficult to do because Coinbase doesn't accept BNB, nor do they accept really any BNB side of things. They're mainly ERC20. But the point is, I decided to buy this position because I did see the opportunity. Again, look at the supply: 50 million, or sorry, 50 billion coins that are out there, meaning that if this gets to $1, it will be a $50 billion market cap, or if the total supply is out there, it'll be a $62 billion market cap. I can see it happening with something that's very popular in the gaming space to be worth that, if not more. And we're currently looking at this at a fully diluted market cap right now of 1.2 billion. It's not really too far off where we were because majority of it is introduced. If we look at all of the different markets that are there, it has 38 different pairings that it does have. I bought it on Uniswap, or sorry, I bought it on right within MetaMask actually. I wish I would have bought it on Uniswap, but I didn't. Honestly, I didn't want to have to pay the fee, but still, I'm happy that I even have it and that the price movement is there. So if we go to my MetaMask here, which you will see the drop down for, and we scroll down here, you're going to see there's two positions that I bought that kind of go with each other. You have Beam, and then you have Merit Circle. So Merit Circle is the actual, I believe, parent company to it. And you could see Merit Circle is sitting at about $2.05 with 322 million coins that's in supply and circulating supply. I did buy 100 of that, but I bought about 600 or $500 worth of Beam. And this is sitting at a $661 million market cap. If we go over to their Twitter account and we use inspect in order to kind of get the breakdown, again, you're going to see the price of where Beam is. It's at a $2.05 price. The price change over the last day, the last 24 hours within the volume, also what that looked like in the last 24 hours as well. So I decided to pick up those. I was going to buy it over on Kraken, but Kraken is my portfolio that is a different portfolio that I didn't want to kind of commingle any type of funds with. So that does sit there. You do have 9 platforms or 9 different pairings that it is available to trade on, but I decided to get it obviously with over on in MetaMask, and you can get it on the BSC side as well. And that's kind of what I did for both of them. I have it on the BSC side. So honestly, I'm not really looking for anything within use for this position right now. Mainly just looking for the investment, and then when I see what I can gain off the investment, eventually I'll flow that money and hopefully can flow that money back into the Ethereum side of this and hold it on a platform, hold it on a place to where I can utilize it if I do feel like utilizing it. Now, if we go into different things, if you want an example of one of the games, you have Trial Extremes, which I'm a big fan of trial games. The reason why I'm a big fan of trial games is because they offer something that I think no other game can really offer. I just like the experience of playing these type of games. Like if you can see this right behind my head, let's see if I can move myself. Um, where you basically just ride a motorcycle, you try and get through the obstacle course and everything like that. It's really fun, a really really fun game to play. I've played it throughout my life. I can't say that I would play it as much now, but it definitely brings back a lot of memories, so I probably would play a great bit of it and maybe even play it with the kids or something like that. But either way, um, they have games that really do fit my gaming style, and I honestly love it. So either way, this looks like a good position. This looks like a good cryptocurrency play if you're looking for an investment as well as something that has a lot of future potential. But I invested a total of about $600, $100 into Merit Circle, and then $500 into Beam. So a total of like $600 into these plays. But Beam is definitely one of those that I feel like is going to be a major player within the game. Now, even if it does just see a 10x, that's still amazing for me. That still would be $5,000 if I only see a 10x that's there. But obviously, I would love to see it get to a value of $1, because if it does, then I have $26,000 on my hands from investing $500 at this point. So, anyways, let me know what you think about this position. Do you think Beam will be worth anything, or do you have another gaming play in mind that you feel like is going to be the best one, or the best thing since sliced bread? Feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure you check out my Patreon down below if you want to talk to me about these gaming plays or any plays that I'm getting into. I let the Patreon know whenever I am making a play, whenever I am getting into something. And if you also want to check out my referral link for Margex. If you want to sign up for Margex and start leverage trading, feel free to use that link down below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.